The Republic of Trinidad and Tobago is a beautiful country in the Caribbean Sea that consists of 2 main islands and 30 smaller landforms. The country's geological origins result in a wide array of forest, karst, freshwater and marine ecosystems. Trinidad and Tobago is one of the most biologically diverse places on the planet, with 100 plus mammals, 400 plus birds, approximately 100 reptiles, more than 1,000 marine fish and many other species. Alongside this, many migratory species form a component of the country's biodiversity, including insects, seabirds, waterfowl, sea turtles, and commercial fish species. However, there is a dark cloud looming over Trinidad and Tobago's natural heritage, as the country's ecosystems, biodiversity, and human population are currently facing the ever-growing issue of climate change. This is an issue for which the causes are many, the effects are alarming, and the solutions are urgently needed. One of the main ways in which Trinidad and Tobago contribute to climate change is through air pollution. While this is largely due to the country's status as an oil and gas nation, emissions from cement manufacturing, mining, agriculture, the transportation sector, and wildfires also release a mix of toxic chemicals and other emissions, including greenhouse gases. These then have direct impacts on human, plant, and animal life, while also having negative impacts on man-made materials and structures, and this causes changes in weather and/or climate. However, the effects of air pollution are often downplayed in comparison to the country's issue with land and water pollution. Unfortunately, Trinidad and Tobago also faces high level of land and water pollution due to factors such as low waste literacy and the improper disposal of industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and household waste. As such, the effects of land and water pollution can be seen almost everywhere, from littered beaches and public areas to contaminated rivers and streams. Even though air pollution is less visible, one should not forget that it is a continuous hazard. The good news is it is not too late to solve the pressing issue. While it took Trinidad and Tobago many years to address air pollution, the EMA have currently released air pollution rules. Although there is more to be done to regulate the distribution of emission permits, it is noteworthy that some private sector members have been making positive moves towards reducing their emission levels and shifting towards more sustainable energy options. Recognizing that Trinidad and Tobago is at a crossroads, we need everyone to get on board in the journey towards reducing local air pollution and engaging in impactful climate action. It is our wish that we could all work together for the benefit of present and future generations.